dryernya bisa nyala ini.
Blow it out.
Ada musiknya ya. And we're gonna
Today we're gonna unbox Sunny hair wire kit. And
Can you show to your friend?
see, this is my box.
Turn around.
Look, card. Really look good about
This one. See.
like that.
It's called Sunny Day Hair Dryer Kit. There you go. You can open it. To your friend?
Okay.
To Dora. Do it to Dora. We're gonna do it to Dora because Dora have a hair. Mommy, what you got in the box? You got the hair dryer, and then you got, what is it called? Hair clip. You got 3 hair clipped, and then you got 1 brushed. Dapat sisir, 3 jepit, sama hair dryer. Hair dryernya bisa nyala ini.
Blow it out.
Ada musiknya ya. And we're gonna do it to Dora. Show Dora. Look at Dora's hair is so messy. We're gonna clean it up, right? Oh.
So have to lay down.
Dora's hair is so messy. Yay! Tada!
Okay, I get a brush.
To the back dong. Back dong. And then your hair dryer.
This style will blow you away.
Oh, clip is done.
Is Dora look pretty now?
Okay, open. I don't want to have wire.
Okay. You wanna do it on your hair? Okay.
I shall.
Okay.
Watching. Bye. We have some salon. Bye. Subscribe, like, ring the bell.
Please.
Subscribe, ring the bell. Bye.